But here's a quick question for you before we begin. Which of these do you think helps reduce knee pain the most in the morning? A. Resting your knees as much as possible. B. Doing a few gentle movements right after waking up. C. Drinking coffee and waiting for the pain to go away. Think about your answer and let me know in the comments, because the answer might surprise you. Knee pain is one of the most common health complaints in the world today. For many people, the first few steps in the morning are the hardest. You stand up, try to walk, and suddenly there's stiffness, discomfort, or even sharp pain in your knees. Simple activities like climbing stairs, getting out of bed, or even walking around the house can start to feel like a challenge. In many cases, gentle movement and simple morning habits can actually help reduce stiffness, improve joint mobility, and support long-term knee health. And today, I'm going to show you one powerful morning routine that can help knee pain start fading naturally. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share one common morning mistake that secretly makes knee pain worse, and many people do it every single day without realizing it. And before we begin, if you care about natural health tips, joint health, and simple daily habits that can improve your life, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the Green Health channel. We share practical, science-backed wellness tips to help you feel better every day. Now, let's get started. Why knee pain happens. Understanding the problem. Knee pain can happen for many different reasons. Some of the most common causes include joint stiffness, weak supporting muscles, reduced flexibility, age-related wear and tear, lack of movement, inflammation in the joint. When you sleep overnight, your body stays still for several hours. During this time, joint fluid circulation slows down, which can make the knee feel stiff and uncomfortable in the morning. This is why the first steps after waking up often feel the most painful. But here's the good news. Gentle movement in the morning can help restore circulation, lubricate the joint, and activate the muscles that support the knee. And that's where today's simple routine comes in. The morning habit that helps knee pain start fading naturally. One of the most effective ways to support knee health is a short morning mobility routine. This routine takes just 3 to 5 minutes, and it helps wake up the muscles and joints that protect your knees. Let's look at 3 simple movements. Move 1. Gentle knee extension. Sit on the edge of your bed or a chair. Slowly extend one leg in front of you until it is straight. Then hold it for about 5 seconds, then slowly lower it back down. Repeat this 10 times on each leg. This movement helps activate the quadriceps muscles, which are one of the main support systems for the knee joint. Stronger quadriceps often mean less pressure on the knee. Let me know in the comments if your knees usually feel stiff when you first wake up. Move 2. Seated knee bends. Next, stay seated and slowly bend your knee as far as it feels comfortable. Then gently straighten the leg again. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. This simple motion helps improve joint lubrication and flexibility, which can reduce stiffness and improve mobility throughout the day. Many physical therapists recommend gentle range of motion movements like this for people dealing with knee discomfort. Move 3. Gentle morning walk. After those movements, try taking a slow 2-minute walk around your home. This helps stimulate blood flow and activate the muscles around the knee joint. Movement encourages the body to produce more synovial fluid, which acts like a natural lubricant for your joints. When your joints are properly lubricated, movement becomes smoother and less painful. You'll want to stick around because the next section might explain why your knee pain hasn't been improving, even if you've tried other remedies. The morning mistake that makes knee pain worse. Many people make this mistake without realizing it. They wake up and immediately start moving too quickly, jumping out of bed, rushing down the stairs, or suddenly putting full pressure on stiff knees can increase discomfort. Your joints need a few minutes to warm up after several hours of rest. Taking just 3 minutes to gently activate your knees before starting your day can make a noticeable difference. Bonus tip for better knee health. Another helpful habit is maintaining healthy movement throughout the day. Regular walking, stretching, and strengthening exercises support the muscles that protect your knee joints. A balanced diet that includes nutrients like protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium can also support joint health. And remember, if knee pain is severe, persistent, or getting worse, it's important to speak with a qualified healthcare professional. Knee pain doesn't always require complicated solutions. Sometimes the answer is simply helping your joints wake up properly in the morning. A few gentle movements can improve joint lubrication, activate supportive muscles, reduce stiffness, and help you move more comfortably throughout the day. Consistency is key. Doing these simple movements every morning may help your knees feel more flexible and supported over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Green Health so you never miss our upcoming wellness tips. And before you go, tell me in the comments, do your knees feel worse in the morning or later in the day? Your experience might help someone else in our community. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Green Health cares.